From the vast rivers to the city's blood vessels, the value of every drop of water deserves to be accurately measured. WESDUN Group has been focusing on water metering technology for 15 years, providing trusted solutions to the world. Manufacturing, sales in one enterprise. Our main products are medium and high-grade water meters for export, include hot and cold water meter, small and large caliber removable water meter, including LXLC and Y series, and smart water meter series. We have more than 100 sets of various water meter productions and inspection equipments, among which the LS9B inspection equipment is the largest standard water meter calibration station in the north of the Tianjiang in China. Our company has passed the ISO 9001 Quality System Certification and passed the Water Affairs Bureau certification of 2 Southeast Asian countries. The products comply with GB T778 and ISO 4064 standards. Since its establishment, WESDUN Group has been export-oriented and has gradually established and improved its zero-tolerance product quality control system. The company produces and sells more than 300,000 water meters of various types annually, and its products are exported to many countries and regions including Tanzania, Zambia, Egypt, Turkey, Pakistan, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, the Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, etc. Our large diameter water meters, with their stable quality and affordable pricing, have earned widespread recognition and acclaim from domestic and international customers. Our smart water meters, equipped with MB-LOT GPRS LORA LoRa1 wireless transmission technology, enable users to conduct real-time water usage monitoring, remote meter reading, and receive abnormality alerts, while maintaining strict quality control. We continuously introduce advanced technologies from both domestic and international markets, and establish a scientific and effective management system. WESDUN Group looks forward to sincere contact and cooperation with friends from all walks of life at home and abroad. Superior product quality, reasonable price, fast delivery and high quality, and perfect after-sales service are our commitments.